Si Derek, he lied. He denied. And we were broken up na that time and he said none of it was true.
Ellen Adarna never raw nag-deny tungkol sa hiwalayan nila ni Derek Ramsey. Hindi daw kagaya ni Derek na nag-deny na nga, nagsinungaling pa.
About the Tia and Gaza thing, I never lied, I never denied. I just did not talk about the relationship at the time because I wasn't ready. But I never denied, never lied. I just made some comments about the billionaire, nakakatawa. And about the father of Elias, no? Why? Diba? Ba't mo minamaliit? If we're gonna talk about billionaire kanang vibes ka to si J. Aldamas, nagka-feel pa ko ato yung billions kay he would charter a private plane for Elias during COVID just to see his son. Let's talk about private planes. If you wanna talk about billionaires, it's private planes. Well, itong isa, si Derek, he lied. He denied. And we were broken up na that time and he said none of it was true.